how technology could make it easier for thieves to steal your car, especially if you use a fob instead of a key. Coming up next. Police say that thieves are always on the hunt here in Tulsa, and now they're getting tech savvy.
It takes just seconds for someone to steal your car. Especially if your car is a push-button start.
How we feel that a fob is safer, that's half as safe as a key.
Keith Perkins owns L1 Automotive, and he shows me just how easy it is.
For a push-button start vehicle, this is very typical.
I won't show the exact process, but here he's using a device near that key fob.
So I just read the key data.
And once that process is done, the key isn't needed.
You can hold on the key. And there we go. Started with no key.
It took Perkins under a minute to start that truck, and thieves are just as quick.
Can I get a 4243 out of Oklahoma brake?
And if you push to start,
The easiest thing is to keep the key centralized in your house, away from doors, windows, external things. Those devices that will pick up that key data typically work within about 2 to 3 foot distance.
Now, Tulsa police do say that 4 out of 5 cars stolen here in Tulsa are recovered. That's about 80%, but they are often recovered damaged. Live covering news that matters, I'm Abigail Dye, Fox 23 News.